Hello my people, Wanchikongige here.
Jambu Wakonyo here.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And guys, thank you very much for your continued support.
Yeah.
Guys, we have reached 1.5k subscribers. So guys, can you imagine we are road to 2k subscribers in just a week? Imagine guys,
100 subscribers.
We are so grateful for you guys. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In fact, we are going to give you 1 second to do that. Thank you guys for subscribing. So guys, today when you see us in the kitchen, know that we are doing what?
We are cooking.
Exactly,
we have a new recipe today, guys. So it is we are cooking fluffy pancakes.
Yes.
And we are going to take you through the ingredients. So welcome. Yeah.
So guys, our ingredients of today,
we have baking flour. You can use this one or the self-raising one, but me I prefer to use this one. And then you have vanilla essence.
Yep.
This one you put just a little drop. And then we have baking powder. You can also use baking soda if you have it. And then we have our 2 eggs. We have milk.
Yep.
We have cooking oil.
Yes.
For the cooking oil, you can use butter if you have it, but for us we don't have. Or you can use the normal BB, but it will have some funny taste. So the best one is butter, but we are going to use, this one is also okay, the cooking oil. So guys, the first thing that you do is you mix the dry ingredients. So we have our flour here.
Yep.
I think that one is enough. Is it enough?
For the whole family.
Okay. And also for me. That one's new. So we have our flour there. And then 1 spoon of baking powder.
Guys, I know you're asking yourself, mbona saa zote when we're doing wheat ni Jambi peke yake anakuwa hapo kumix.
Ni kama nimeanza kuwa pro. But then guys, for us, we were not raised in those cool kid families. So right now is the time that we are teaching ourselves to cook these things. Sisi tulikuwa tunaamka unapika githeri na ugali sapa.
Unakaanga.
And we are not even complaining.
Na ukaranga mukimo.
So right now we are teaching ourselves new recipes.
And so far so good.
So far so good. I think sasa we will not do anything to do with wheat anymore. Probably we will come up with something new yenye utawafunza. You can teach them the nini that you surprise us with. Inaitwa aje? Kuna kitu shai tutengenezea hapa ya avocado.
Oh, ile kachumbari. Nitawatengenezea.
So after you have mixed them well, then you mix
with the sugar. Gai bidhi mbona tu kuonyesha sugar and salt.
Imagine sugar. So the last time I cooked this is the second time, guys. Nilitumia sukari peke yake, but someone gave me a hint that when you use salt, it will have a nice taste. So let us try. Kila kitu ni try and error. Try and see. So I don't know if that sugar is okay, but we'll feel it from there. And then you have salt. Do not put a lot of salt.
It will spoil.
Tunataka kwa umbali. I think that is enough. So that is done.
Wow.
So next thing is eggs.
Tunava how to beat eggs. How to beat eggs properly.
What are the content?
Nah, see the way you are doing it. I'm just saying.
That is the way it should be done. I don't think so. Haya, namwambia wajiko wanunue ile kitu ya kufanya hivi nitawaje.
Tunaitangwa whiskey.
We need it. So right now. Right now singekuwa na struggle. And then What is left?
Milk.
Milk we'll put it here. I think this one, I don't know where to put it. Is it? I will put it later. So first I will put the cooking oil. Guys, the reason as to why we are using the cooking oil here is because when you are cooking the pancakes, you are not supposed to put a lot of oil. In fact, you can unaweza tu kadogo. Like you are not supposed to put a lot of oil. Zinafaa kuwa dry, si kama zile zingine. Unaweka tu kama mafuta kadogo and then hata ukipendua the other side you don't need any oil. So that is the importance of having it here.
Then the next thing.
So the next thing we are going to put our eggs. I've decided to use 2 eggs because as you can see inapikia familia kubwa.
Also it's kama ni kidogo, you just put 1 egg.
You just put 1 egg. You don't need a lot of eggs because it will have some bad taste, especially ikipoa. So hiyo taste ya egg. So guys, that is it. And then now our milk. If you don't have milk,
use hot water.
Yeah, you just use water. Usikose kukula pancakes ukiona maziwa. Ama ukose kupika chai upike pancakes.
And guys, as we continue, because you can see that t-shirts, we are selling those t-shirts at a very affordable price. DM for prizes.
Yes.
So we add more milk.
So see what you do, you make sure that imekuwa kama ile unga ya kawaida tu ya pancakes. Isikue, if you want to cook them zile ukitaka kupika nono, if you want them to be a bit,
unaweza tumia wooden stick badala ya hiyo metallic.
Yeah.
So guys, there as you can see we have our butter. Naitwa butter. But see B-U-B-A.
So guys, we are going to add a little bit of vanilla.
Itaweka a certain flavor.
Yeah, vanilla taste. Zitakuwa kama cake. You just wait and see. So like that. Depending on what you love, you can add it. For us, we love vanilla. Guys, if you are here, you hear the aroma. And already
you smell.
We have not cooked it. It just smells nice. There we go.
Wow. So we have to add a little bit of cooking oil.
And then you mix it well. Guys, I told you will not use a lot of oil when cooking, so you need it here. That is it, guys. So you heat up. Endelea.
So guys, we heat the pan for quite some time, for like a few minutes.
Yeah,
And then you add the cooking oil.
Give me the spoon there. So the secret to cooking fluffy pancakes is you use a small
amount of cooking oil.
Like this one is enough. I will not add any other cooking oil. Yeah.
Then you reduce the
heat. It should be as low as possible so that it can cook well
inside.
Hivyo ndio nilikuwa nataka kusema.
Ndio.
Is it inside?
Yeah.
Ndani.
Direct.
Guys, I'm going to measure 2 spoons. I don't know, it is hard to lift it up. Like this. 2 spoons. 1. And 2. Depending on how big you want it to be. or how thick. Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, even though inatokea. So wow, look at that guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So guys, yesterday, now this is another day we are talking.
Yeah.
Yesterday we were unable to complete our video because we were caught up in so much. We were caught up in so much to do. We didn't even complete it.
And it was also late.
Yeah, very late. Almost 12 a.m.
Yeah.
So what happened, guys? Again, our recipe went very long.
Wrong.
Very wrong. It was okay. Not that it was wrong. We followed the recipe, but the nini zilitokea vibaya sana. We are going to attach the photo here.
As kutokea mbaya, but they were zilikatika zote.
They were,
I don't know what
we couldn't even present, but we are going to show you the photos. And then this another time we prepared the same recipe, but we didn't feel, but they were perfect. That's why even we decided to now do this video.
I need to show you guys how pro we are.
Yeah, exactly. Boy. Unfortunately, it didn't.
Yeah.
Guys, we are very sorry for misleading you.
No, we didn't.
We never meant to.
It is the same process, by the way, guys. What we do is we are real. Isipotokea tutawambia tu kweli haikutokea.
But we are so sure that nowhere we went wrong.
Yeah. So if you will just follow the same recipe, but I don't know. Maybe hadi tulikuwa tuna change pan.
Imagine tunatumia hii pan. Hapana zinatokea. It was, I think, because of the things that were caught up, everything ikakuwa
na plus I don't know, we'll change our time.
Na stima zikapotea.
Hey, everything went wrong yesterday. Stima ikapotea, Brenda ikakataa kufanya. Tukatumia two pans zote hazikuwa zinatoa
na work. Tukabit yo butter pamoja. It was so bad, but I think it's because of that mix and everything.
Yeah, and also I don't know. Maybe you guys should tell us hapo kwa comment. I know there are people who knows how to cook those things. Tuambieni tu where we went wrong.
Yeah, where maybe we went wrong, because hizo zingine, as you can see kwa photos, they are very perfect.
Yes.
So guys, maybe that's the end of yesterday's video. Until next time, blessings.